lifetime roof warranty is only as good as it's written. We're one of GAF's Master Elite contractors, and so when we do a roof, we are able to offer an extended Golden Pledge warranty. And basically that means for 50 years, if there's any manufacturer's defect, that you get a new roof. It's non-prorated, includes the dumpster, includes the permit, includes all the material, and includes the labor. Now, since they know that we're doing their roofing, installing their roofing properly, they'll even go further with that. If there's a labor issue that we did something wrong, and say we go out of business in 5 years, GAF will back that up for 25 years. So you get 25 years any labor issues, 50 years any manufacturer's issues, and that's non-prorated and covers the entire roofing system, not just the shingles.